Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a Google Pixel 9 Pro for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll down and look for accessibility. And right here we're gonna go for display size and the text. Then you'll be able to adjust the font size, and I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Then there's the display size, which makes everything bigger, including icons, text, and buttons. Just everything, as you can see, becomes much bigger. Then we can activate or deactivate bold text, which increases the thickness of a font. High contrast text, which adds a black outline or white outline depending on your theme to all of the text. Next thing is the magnification. And right here, when activated, you should get the loop icon floating around your screen. You can click on it to enter zoom mode, then click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in. You can zoom out by clicking on the loop icon again. Now let's go back again, and here look for color and motion. Inside, I recommend to enable remove animations. This should reduce motion sickness when using your phone. And the last thing I recommend to change is at the settings. Just scroll all the way down again and then find a system. Inside we can go for navigation mode, and here I recommend to go for 3 buttons for any senior person. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.